this video, I'll show you how to list your courses on Expertnaire platform. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for a lot of educational guides and content like this. Listing your course on Expertnaire platform is a really nice idea, right? So if you list your course on Expertnaire marketplace or platform, you'll be like a whole lot of people would help you out, right? A lot of affiliate marketers and the rest. So head over to your search history. You're going to click on the Expertnaire vendor, right? Type it in. So you're going to see this, right? How to list your products on Expertnaire. Click on it. Now I'm going to show you how you can, like I'll be showing you what you'd be needing for you to be able to list your product on Expertnaire. If you're a vendor, you can either be a vendor, you can either be an affiliate marketer, right? If you're a vendor, you are the owner of the product. If you're an affiliate marketer, you would help market the product. So there are two basic differences there. And if you're a vendor wanting to list your course on Expertnaire, these are the basic things you need to read through, right? The URL for the product sales page, you'll be needing this. Access to the product delivery system. You can use a Google Drive, like where you'd compile the course so as the people that will buy the course will be able to get access to it. The percentage you'd intend to pay affiliates for each copy sold. Your customer support information, where the buyers can reach out to you if they have issues, if they need your help. It can be your email, your social media handles, and all of them. Once you're done, you're going to send the details to this email, right? Send the details to it. Then you use the subject line request for new vendor application. Once we have approved the product, you create a vendor account. The account is basically to track your sales. The registration fee, I think, is 25,000 naira a year, right? So this is it. So once I've been registered, you're going to read through this again, right? It's very easy. All the important links will be attached in this video description. So if you find this video helpful, let me know below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.